Vadoo AI has just launched even more new AI features that will help you generate really eye-catchy content. And they just launched a new AI app that's like ChatGPT's Ghibli-Style image generator. And I'm going to show you all of those new features right now. If you're looking for the best tools to grow your business, click the link in my description to grab free access to my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs, Notion doc. Now, I update this Notion spreadsheet on a weekly basis with the newest and best tools I find online. So to grab free access, click the link in my description. Now, if you want to browse tools on AppSumo, you can click on that second link to visit my custom landing page. Now, on this page, I listed out some of my favorite AppSumo deals that you can browse right here. And I've also included some of my most popular YouTube videos that you can watch right here as well. Instead of paying between $12 per month up to $69 per month for Vadoo AI, for the next 3 days only, you can grab lifetime access to this tool on AppSumo. And the lifetime deal starts at $89 for license tier 1. Now, if you want more limits, then you can get a higher tier. The highest tier you can get is tier 5. I already recorded 2 other videos on Vadoo AI where I go really deep into the tool. So if you want to check out those 2 other videos, I'll include them in the description as well. Now, in my last Vadoo AI review, when I was trying out the AI music feature, it actually didn't work. So what I want to do is try it out again just to show you how the AI music feature generates music from a single prompt. Okay, so I'm going to put this prompt right here. So it says, create a fun and catchy cartoon song for children about a magical adventure in a colorful world, so on and so forth. So a very detailed prompt, and the AI model is Udio. And I'm going to click on generate and let's see what type of music Vadoo AI can come up with. All right, so it is done and it took about a good 5 minutes and it generated a 2-minute song for us. So this is my prompt and it also generated lyrics as well. Now let me play it for you and you can have a listen. Okay, so not too bad, right? So these songs are copyright free, so you can use these for ads, for your YouTube videos, or maybe even sell these songs. Now, Vadoo AI just recently launched this image to 3D feature, so you can upload any image and turn it into this 3D animated image like this. Now, I've been testing this out, and what I've learned is that you need to upload an image without a background. So what I'm going to use is another Vadoo AI feature that's in this AI apps view. Now, this is totally brand new. There's tons of different AI tools that you can choose from, like AI image upscaler, AI lip sync, voiceover, so on and so forth. Now, for that 3D image, I want to remove a background first. So I'm going to use the AI background remover, and then I'm going to add an image here. Now I have this Labubu image and I want to remove the background, okay? So I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so that was pretty fast. It successfully removed the background image and it's pretty good. So now that we are done with this step, I'm going to go back to the image to 3D, and I'm going to click on image, and I'm going to click on this Labubu without the background. And we have 3 AI models we can choose from: Trellis, Triposer, and Rodin. I'm going to try Trellis for this example, and let's see what it comes up with. I'm not exactly sure if this is going to work, but let's give it a few minutes and let's see. All right, so it is done. Now I think it's pretty dark. It's hard to really see the details, but you can scroll and view the back of the Labubu, and the silhouette is not too bad. Unfortunately, I'm not sure exactly why it's really dark, but let me try the other AI model just to see how it looks like. So I'm going to try Triposer and let's see what happens. Okay, so the detail is better. You can see the Labubu, but it's sideways. Not exactly sure why it's sideways. It could be a bug, or you just need to kind of move it in a specific way to have it sit, right side up. but it's pretty cool how they can turn any image into 3D. I was hoping that it would create a 3D image kind of like this robot here, but I think it really just depends on the image you feed it. It might work better on some images more than others. I know a lot of people in e-commerce like to use AI for products, so I'm going to use this AI product shot, and let's see how this can create professional product photography in seconds. Perfect for e-commerce marketing and social media. So we first need to provide it with a scene description. So I put down here a close-up image of a brown teddy bear sitting on the beach sand. In the background, there are palm trees and gentle waves crashing on the shore. The lighting is bright and sunny, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Now I need to add my product. Let's try this Labubu again without the background, and let's click on generate and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, here we go. So it's not too bad, right? You can see the Labubu on the sand with the palm trees off to the side, and then there's the waves in the background. Of course, you need to massage your prompt to get exactly the image that you want, but I think, it's pretty cool. You can post this on your e-commerce website, social media, definitely. Now, in this AI apps section, they recently just launched the AI Ghibli-Style app. Okay, so you can create these really trendy Ghibli-style images. So I'm going to click on Use App. So this will transform your images into stunning Studio Ghibli-inspired artwork with our advanced AI. Create magical, hand-painted scenes with a dreamy aesthetic. So I'm going to pick this image of myself. That's me on the beach. And let's click on Generate. Okay, so here is my Ghibli style image. Okay, so the AI added looks like sunglasses, glasses on me, and you can see the really cool looking background. So I basically turned into a cartoon. You can also click on the generate button again to generate other Ghibli styles as well. Like if you don't like this one, you can keep regenerating until you find the right image that you like. Now, aside from using images that I took from my phone, right, these portrait images, I want to upload like an image from the web. So I want to see if Vadoo AI can turn this Labubu image into the Ghibli style, and let's see what it can come up with. All right, and this is the result, and it's not too bad, right? I really like this Ghibli style. So you could upload any portrait photos that you take on your camera or any images you find online and then turn them into this Ghibli style. So as you can see, Vadoo AI has tons of these other AI apps you can choose from. So within the next 3 days only, feel free to check out the AppSumo deal page to grab your lifetime deal that starts at $89. Now, if you want free access to my Notion spreadsheet of the must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs, make sure to click the link in the description for free access. You can also click this link right here as well to claim it. And if you want to check out my next video, feel free to click this one right over here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thanks.